Have you ever looked up at the night sky and just felt small? That beautiful, milky band of stars arching overhead is our home, the Milky Way galaxy. But how much do we really know about this cosmic city we live in? Today, we are going to take a close look at our galaxy to uncover 10 mind-blowing facts about the Milky Way that will change the way you see the universe. So buckle up, because this is going to be an epic journey. First up, let's talk size. The Milky Way is colossal. It's estimated to be about 100,000 light-years across. To put that into perspective, if you could travel at the speed of light, it would still take you 100,000 years to go from one end to the other. Our solar system is just a tiny speck in this vast expanse, located about 27,000 light-years from the center. It's a humbling thought, isn't it? We are living on a small planet, orbiting a regular star, in a quiet neighborhood of an immense galactic city. Speaking of our neighborhood, our second fact is about our galactic address. We don't live in the bustling downtown area. The Milky Way is a barred spiral galaxy, which means it has a central bar-shaped structure made of stars. And from that bar, several spiral arms extend outwards. Our solar system is located in a smaller, partial arm called the Orion Arm, or sometimes the Orion Spur. It's nestled between two larger arms, the Sagittarius Arm and the Perseus Arm. It's actually a pretty good place to be, relatively calm and safe from the chaotic and radiation-heavy galactic center. Fact number 3. The Milky Way is full of stars, and I mean full. Current estimates suggest there are anywhere from 100 billion to 400 billion stars within our galaxy. Just try to wrap your head around that number. For every single person on Earth, there are at least 15 stars in our galaxy alone. And that's just the stars, which brings us to our next point: planets. Scientists now believe that planets are incredibly common. It's very likely that there are billions, maybe even trillions of planets orbiting those stars. The chances of other Earth-like planets? Pretty high, statistically speaking. Our fourth amazing fact is that the Milky Way has a huge invisible halo. You can't see it, but it's there. This halo is made of dark matter, a mysterious substance that doesn't emit or reflect any light, so we can only detect it through its gravitational effects. Scientists believe this dark matter halo makes up about 90% of our galaxy's total mass. So all the stars, planets, gas and dust that we can see, that's just the tip of the cosmic iceberg. The rest is an enormous, invisible sphere holding everything together. Fact number 5 is a bit spooky. There is a supermassive black hole at the heart of our galaxy. It's called Sagittarius A*, pronounced A star. This beast has a mass equivalent to about 4 million suns, all packed into a space smaller than our solar system. Don't worry though. It's 27,000 light-years away and isn't going to swallow us anytime soon. In fact, its immense gravity is what helps keep the stars in the central region of the galaxy in orbit, like a cosmic anchor. Now for fact number 6. The Milky Way isn't just sitting still. It's moving through space at an incredible speed. Our entire galaxy is hurtling through the universe at approximately 600 kilometers per second, or about 1.3 million miles per hour. We are part of a group of galaxies called the Local Group, and we are all being pulled by gravity towards a massive galactic cluster. Even as you are sitting here watching this, you are on a high-speed journey across the cosmos. Fact 7 will make you feel ancient. The Milky Way is old, really old. It's estimated to be around 13.6 billion years old, which is almost as old as the universe itself. Our galaxy formed from clouds of gas and dust that collapsed under gravity shortly after the Big Bang. Some of the oldest stars in the Milky Way are like cosmic fossils, giving us clues about what the early universe was like. Our own sun is a relative newcomer, at only about 4.6 billion years old. Our 8th fact is a bit dusty. Literally, the space between the stars and the Milky Way isn't empty. It's filled with gas and dust, collectively known as the interstellar medium. This dust is made of tiny particles, similar to smoke or soot. While it might seem insignificant, this dust is incredibly important. It blocks light from distant stars, which is why we can't see the galactic center with our naked eyes. But more importantly, this is the raw material from which new stars and planets are born. Fact number 9. Our galaxy is a cannibal. That's right, the Milky Way grew to its current size by consuming smaller galaxies. Over billions of years, it has pulled in and merged with dozens of dwarf galaxies. Astronomers can see the evidence of this galactic cannibalism in the form of star streams. Long, faint trails of stars that are the leftover remnants of these devoured galaxies, still orbiting within the Milky Way's halo. This process is still happening today. And finally, our 10th fact looks to the future. The Milky Way is on a collision course. In about 4.5 billion years, our galaxy will collide and merge with our nearest large galactic neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy. Andromeda is even bigger than the Milky Way and is approaching us at about 110 kilometers per second. When they collide, it won't be a crash in the way we think of it. The space between stars is so vast that individual stars are unlikely to hit each other. Instead, the two galaxies will merge over hundreds of millions of years, their stars mingling to form a new, even larger elliptical galaxy, which some astronomers have already nicknamed Milkomeda. What a sight that would be. So there you have it, 10 amazing facts about our incredible home, the Milky Way. From a supermassive black hole at its center to its inevitable cosmic merger, our galaxy is a place of wonder, mystery, and immense scale. It reminds us that there's always more to explore and understand about the universe around us. Thanks so much for joining me on this journey through the cosmos. If you found these facts as fascinating as I do, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more adventures into the great unknown. Let me know in the comments which fact blew your mind the most. Until next time,